Hello, boys and girls. I'm Miss Roxana. This week we are going to talk about greetings and farewells. We are going to meet new friends too. Friends. Mike. Mike. Leo. Leo. Polly. Polly. Gina. Gina. Vocabulary. Hello. Hello. Goodbye. Goodbye. Let's practice. Listen and point to the correct picture. Mike. Mike. Very good. This is Mike. Leo. Leo. Good. This is Leo. Polly. Polly. Good. This is Polly. Gina. Gina. Great. This is Gina. Hello. Hello. Excellent. This is a correct picture. Hello. Goodbye. Goodbye. This is the correct picture. Goodbye. Wow, excellent. You did it wonderful. See you next class. Bye-bye.